Eco-friendly vehicles and automatic driving technology will be required in the automotive industry's future. Accordingly, automotive components must be able to endure engine heat and vibration. The life and mileage of a vehicle will be extended, requiring longer component life. The ZE05 series was developed focusing on high temperature and vibration endurance. After 3 years of painstaking research, Hirose has solved the problem of fretting corrosion. The connector can maintain electrical conductivity of the contact with the mating point for an extended time. It can maintain high electrical conductivity even if exposed to severe heat and vibration for an extended time. Here comes the ZE05.